Okay, so how do you enable the developer mode of your Doodoo 7 Android radio? So all you need to do is go to setup settings, and then go to more features, go to about device, and then go to more Android settings there. So once you're inside here, you need to go to about device, and then go to device info. No, not that one. Go to status information. No, where is it? System. Yeah, so go to the system, and then go to developer options. Now it will ask you for a password. So the password for a Doodoo 7 is 7780. Then okay. No, 7870. Yeah, so 7870. So that's the developer options again. So if you go back here, passcode is 7870. Then enter. And there you go. You have a developer options with all the features that you can enable or disable. Yeah. So there's lots of developer options there. Okay, it's a long list of settings. There's a lot, but you have to be very careful when enabling or disabling some settings here. You just have to make sure that you know what you're doing, but at least you have an option if you want to do that. So yep, that's it. So Doodoo 7 Android car radio.